the total immune boosting solution powered by the Amazon. You probably have noticed in recent years that the health that you used to take for granted is no longer guaranteed. During the COVID-19 pandemic, there was no telling who would succumb to it, and who would not. Just when we thought we understood exactly who was at the highest risk, we would read about those who had passed who seemed to be in great shape and had youth on their side. What it boils down to is that no matter who we are, making sure our immune systems are ready for whatever comes their way is a matter of life and death. It is a matter of being around to watch and partake in the magical and amazing moments that come with being human. And it is a matter of you deciding to act and protect yourself and your loved ones at all costs. The problem: immune health is the way our body can fend off infection caused by viruses, bacteria, and fungus. While staying active, eating healthy, and refraining from behaviors such as smoking are commonly understood ways to protect immune health, there are less known about and ancient mystical ways to boost it that are the focus of many modern-day research studies, yet not talked about. Let me tell you a story about a country that has an incentive to keep its people treated with medicine, but never cured of ailments. There once, and currently is, an entity called Big Pharma. It created medicine for all of the population and raked in billions upon billions of dollars, treating people for various illnesses. What it did not believe in was helping to prevent illness, because if people got sick less often, then profits would plummet. In this state of constant maintenance, Big Pharma became rich and powerful. So powerful in fact that it could suppress preventative measures to help people not get sick. Keep them dumb and in pharmacy lines, and everything will be great. The problem then, is for Big Pharma to thrive, the people must suffer. We have all lost so much time, joy, and invaluable experiences with loved ones who could have been around much longer. What can you do to make sure it doesn't happen to you? The solution. Deep in the heart of the Amazon, the Incan culture has been using plants to prevent illness, provide a better quality of life, and help the body heal more quickly for thousands of years. Two of these miracle plants that are not often talked about are Sangra de Drago, dragon's blood, and Una de Gato. Recent research in peer-reviewed studies have shown that these plants have healing properties that can boost immunity and help the body fight off infection. In fact, many powerful companies are looking into potential cancer treatments that can be derived from these plants. In addition, research has shown that in tandem they can improve gut health by rebalancing the natural microorganism population in the gut, help reduce inflammation by suppressing the production of inflammatory compounds, and serve as some of the most powerful antioxidants in the world and help prevent cancer. At Incan Vitality, we believe in using natural remedies to help people stay healthy and have sourced the highest quality of these plants from the original Incan sources. Our mission is to help you fight off illness and stay healthy through natural remedies, so that you can make the most out of your life. We understand the importance of boosting our immune systems, and that's why we have created a supplement that contains these two powerhouses. Instead of treating illness, we want to help you prevent it, so that you can stay healthy and enjoy life. So don't wait any longer. Take control of your health and invest in your future. Try Incan Vitality's supplement today and help boost your immune system naturally. It's time to take back control of your health.